Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can basically find your exported videos on CapCut PC. Make sure you have updated this app because now it shows like where the file is once you've exported it, so you're not confused. Before it did, but it didn't show it after you've like exported it. So to update, go to menu, then go to more version and then check for updates. It won't delete your files, by the way, so just keep that in mind. Go to export, choose video exporting instead of audio, choose this. You can find it here because like it says export to this folder, but you can change it. But for instance, you can't change it, just export it. And then once you're done, there is an open folder text here, and you're just going to select open folder, and it's going to show you exactly where your video is. And I'm not sure actually if it's been there and I just didn't see it, but you're just going to select open folder and you're going to find where your video is, so you don't have to look for it anymore once you have exported it. But make sure you don't press OK. Make sure you select open folder, and it's going to be there. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!